Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I apply my seamless clip-in. This style is good for anybody who wants to add volume to their hair, so I will be showing you how easy and quick it is to apply this hair. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So I washed my hair yesterday. I didn't really do anything today except for blow drying and cutting it. These are the clip-in that I'm gonna add to my hair. I like these clip-in because they are seamless. This is how they come in. I will definitely put the link down below where you can go ahead and purchase if you are interested. These comes with 7 pieces. You don't need more than one bundle. It's up to you, but I usually use one bundle and it has 7 pieces of clip-in in here. It's supposed to be seamless, so one bundle should be enough. I wanted to flat iron my hair a little bit so it could match the texture of this hair. I do need a little retouched. It's getting puffy. I was about to install the tape in. I need to do something with my hair for Valentine's Day. I actually have to put a wig on, and I probably filmed that and post it on YouTube. But if I put the tape in usually lasts 4 to 6 weeks, so I don't want to do my hair and then remove them. So I'm going to add the clip-in the meantime. I wanted to give my baby hair a break, so that's why I'm doing the clip-in today. Let me stop talking and start doing what I'm supposed to do. So before I flat iron my hair, I wanted to show you guys the heat protectant I'll be using. It's from Shy. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I made my research and I got this one from TJ Maxx. I made my research and this one was the #1 on the internet. So I don't know. I got the small one from TJ Maxx because they didn't have the big one, but I am definitely gonna go back and see if I can try to find the actual size. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair and then we can move on to the installation. We got 2 pieces of these 2 clips, 2 pieces of 3 clips, 1 piece of 4 clips. The last 2 are just 1 clip. So I'm gonna put it right here in the back. I didn't put it too close to the end in case I want to do a ponytail. I mean, not a high ponytail, like a actual low ponytail. So I'm putting it right here, just like this. I know it's not straight because I can't really see the back, but I'm gonna try my best to make them straight and then flat. So I hope you guys enjoyed the couple different styles that I did for you. I try to curl this side. I didn't want it to be too puffy because I want to enjoy my hair flat for a couple days because it looks so natural. I didn't want to mess that up. So let me know how I did. And comment down below if you guys want me to do more style things that I use, or you know, other videos that you guys would like to see from me. But the link will definitely be down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. But like I said, this is your sign to add clip-in to your hair. It's easy, it's quick, it doesn't damage your hair, no glue involved. So what are you waiting for? But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.